So I am A.K. Chatterjee. Presently I am Judge of State Consumer Commission of Rajasthan. And while we were constructing this house, initially we didn't have a plan to install a lift. And then since the size of plot is not very big, we had a space crunch. And then we contacted the Nibav people. They were very efficient and smart enough to convince us to get this Nibav lift installed at our place, and they insisted that, they emphasized that we don't need a very big space for installation of a Nibav lift, and eventually we have installed it in the space available on our staircases, and now we are very happy that we are having a Nibav lift with us. Even for children also, this Nibav lift is very safe. My mother, she lives with us, and she is both the knees have been transplanted, and she had and this is a purpose for which we got it installed at our home, and she is very easily using it regularly, and she can easily use this lift and come on the first floor and second floor. And it gives a very nice aesthetic look to this unit. Many of our guests, they were so impressed, and I can very boastfully say that they were my position in the society has enhanced because of having a Nibav lift in my house. You see, every people believes that with the growth in age, or when you grow older, the things should be hassle free, and by installing this Nibav lift, now it's no hassle. We every now and then we can go up and down as many times as we wish. I'll request everybody to whom I am reaching through this video, easily choose this Nibav lift, and definitely they will feel proud and will get benefited, and it will be rather a feather in their cap